My name is Tanya Mahmood, and I am standing on behalf of the Peace Party this year for the May 2015 general election in the Tottenham constituency, which is in North London. I am from a working class family. Both my parents are civil servants, and yeah. Any
An
questions?
A-level student.
Oh yes, I'm an A-level student. I'm currently doing A-level chemistry, physics, and mathematics, and I do hope on pursuing on my education by going to university next year, inshallah. Thank you.
Thank you. Okay, so I'm going to stay seated now, and let me just clarify one thing. A couple of you have asked me, because I myself am a councillor with the Labour Party, and I'm promoting somebody who's from the Peace Party. So please let me make it very, very clear over here. I am a die-hard Labour supporter. I will carry on supporting my party, but over here, I'm representing Overseas Pakistan Trust, and which means as a Pakistani, I'm wearing my hat as a Pakistani over here. And I am promoting somebody who is of Pakistani ethnicity, and I'm very, very proud that a young girl, 19-year-old, is doing something as wonderful as making history over here. Ladies and gentlemen, a big round of applause for Tanya. Could I please ask Mr. Malik Riaz to say a few words quickly, if you could speak in about 2 minutes or something.
Bismillah ar-Rahman ar-Rahim. बहुत शुक्रिया Natasha Sheikh and Chairman OPT Overseas Pakistan Trust उम्मी मलिक साहब के मैं समझता हूँ कि आप ये मुबारकबाद आपको पेश करता हूँ कि ये हमारे लिए बाइसे इज़्ज़त और फ़ख्र की बात है कि 19 साल की बच्ची को एक पॉलिटिकल पार्टी की तरफ से एक अपना रिप्रेजेंट चुना गया है और उन्हें टिकट होल्डर अनाउंस किया गया है ताकि वो मेरा ख्याल है ये पाकिस्तानी कम्युनिटी के लिए बड़ी फ़ख्र की बात है और OPT ने एक ऐसा अच्छा मेरा ख्याल है इनके ये कदम पे मैं इन्हें मुबारकबाद पेश करता हूँ और इस 19-year-old बच्ची के जो वालिदैन हैं मैं उन्हें भी मुबारकबाद की पेश करता हूँ। ये एक खुश आइन बात है। मैं बज़ाते ख़ुद एक पॉलिटिकल वर्कर हूँ, ये मेरी बच्चियों की तरह है। हम सीनियर्स से पॉलिटिकल वर्कर से इन्हें कभी भी कोई भी हेल्प चाहिए इंशाल्लाह। आल्दो कि आई एम आल्सो लेबर मेंबर, I belong from a Labour Party, लेकिन मैं इनकी ज़ात के लिए, इस बच्ची की ज़ात के लिए इनके साथ हर जगह पे अपना टाइम निकालने को तैयार हूँ। Thank you very much.
Thank you very much. That was Mr. Malik Riaz, President UK PMLN. And इन्होंने अपना वक्त निकाला और यहाँ आए, हालांकि हमें पता है पाकिस्तान के प्राइम मिनिस्टर भी आए हुए हैं और ये हमें अपना वक्त दे रहे हैं। बहुत शुक्रिया मलिक रियाज साहब। अब मैं गुजारिश करूंगी स्वामी जी जो कि पीस पार्टी के मेंबर हैं कि अगर कुछ अल्फाज कहें तो प्लीज़।
हारमनी इंटरफेथ मेरे खास अजीज़ दोस्त महमूद खुशी, काफ़ी अच्छे हमारे ताल्लुकात हैं, बरसों से ताल्लुकात हैं और तानिया को तो मैं बचपन से छोटी सी तब से देख रहा हूँ। I am surprised really that such a talented young lady stand up for the parliament elections and the interfaith community, Harmony interfaith community, yes. And she have a lot of things to do, yet she is very young, but she is joining the big groups and trying to help charities and many things. So I congratulate her and I wish you a nice journey towards the future. Thank you very much.
Thank you. Dr. Zulfikar, जो कि Interfaith Harmony के member हैं, could I ask him to say a few words, please?
Thank you for inviting me. It's a pleasure that young generation is taking active and proactive role in politics, particularly from Pakistani origin and not from the elite group. I hope they bring new ideas and represent their class in future Britain. Thank you.
I see Mrs. Bashan Rafiq, who is the president of APWA UK, and I would ask her to join us, please, over here. Assalamu alaikum.
Who is the young lady?
This young lady.
MashaAllah.
Ajay, Bashan Appa, come and sit over here.
Assalamualaikum. Bashan Rafiq.
Mr. Umar Malik, if you could please join us over here. I'd like to ask you to say a few words. He's not coming. Okay. Bashan Appa, would you like to say a few words? Tanya is over here. She's the 19-year-old girl who's standing as a parliamentary candidate.
I would like to ask her a few questions.
Questions we'll ask later. Yes.
Okay. I'm Assalamualaikum. मैं बशन रफीक हूँ और मैं यहाँ अब्बा की चेयरपर्सन हूँ. जब मुझे इन्होंने बताया कि तानिया is 19 years old and standing, I was very amazed because nobody told me how to get organized and stand for elections or get involved in the community. I want to be involved in the community, but nobody trained me. Even today, I don't know about it. So I think I'll come and join a class and do this. One of the things that I want to do, I said I want to ask questions, is that do you, is it something that really turned you on about what you can do for Britain by being an MP? What was it that really turned you on to be so courageous and take the step? Because one of the great things about politics in this country is how you can contribute and how you can question and how you can get involved. So I'm glad that it's a Pakistani young girl of Pakistani origin to be standing. And I wish you good luck.
Thank you.
And I hope that more women will come forward because we have a lot of common sense, women do. So we need people with common sense, not with just agendas, etc. So good luck.
नहीं, दो minutes. Thank you very much, Bashan Appa. Now, could I ask, firstly, Farzana Mahmood to please say a few words, the proud mother. Farzana.
Assalamu alaikum. I'm thankful to Natasha for hosting this event, and I'm very proud that my daughter's standing in the general elections. Whether she succeeds or not, that's a different story, but it's, I feel that she can show the young community, the young girls that are running off to join the terrorist groups and becoming involved in the wrong things, that is not the right move. Come here, join the platform, air your opinions here, don't run away. And so, inshallah.
And that is such a valid point, isn't it? That the youth of today, whereas we see and we hear on the news regularly, running away from home, being misled literally into and being brainwashed. And then here we have somebody who's actually making something of her life. She is standing up for what she believes in. She's standing up for her values, which she sees reflected in a certain party, and she is standing up as voice of the youth. And that is what we want from more of our youngsters. And Tanya, we need you to encourage more youngsters to come into politics and more youngsters to show the world what they can do. Could I now ask Mr. Mahmood, father of the lady that we have as our honorable guest, to please say a few words.
मेरा तलक जी एक वर्किंग क्लास से है. मेरे वाले साहब भी वर्किंग क्लास से थे, हम भी वर्किंग क्लास से हैं, लेकिन बच्चों पर ज़्यादा असर उसकी माँ का होता है. बाप तो सिर्फ बाहर जाता है, नौकरी करता है, घर आता है, तो इसलिए ये सारा क्रेडिट उसकी वालदा को जाता है. लेकिन पीस पार्टी के लिए स्टैंड होना करना और पीस के लिए फ़ाइट करना और लोगों की खिदमत करना, ये मैंने अपनी बेटी को सिखाया कि पीस क्या होता है और दुनिया में पीस कैसे किया जा सकता है और दुनिया और लोगों की खिदमत क्या की जाती है. हमारे घर में जो मजहबी ग्रुप है वो कम है, मज़हब का इन्फ्लुएंस कम है, लेकिन लोगों की खिदमत का ज़्यादा है. मेरी नज़र में लोगों की खिदमत करना, आवाम की खिदमत करना, यही बड़ी इबादत है. यही हमें बुल्ले शाह ने सिखाया, यही मैंने उससे सीखा है, यही मैंने बच्चों को सिखाया कि लोगों की खिदमत करो, लोगों के लिए जियो, लोगों के लिए मरो और लोगों की आवाज़ को आगे लेकर जाओ। और जो कंसेप्ट फैला हुआ है कि मुस्लिम टेररिस्ट हैं, इस कंसेप्ट को दूर करो कि मुसलमान टेररिस्ट नहीं है, मुसलमान पीसफुल लोग हैं और हम अपनी आवाज़ को ऊंचे मानों तक उसी वक्त पहुंचा सकते हैं जब उसका पार्ट बने हम। जब तक हम अपने बच्चों को ये नहीं कहेंगे कि अपना वोट रजिस्टर्ड कराओ, पार्टी ज्वाइन करो, लोकल ग्रुप ज्वाइन करो, उस वक्त तक हम इस मुल्क में कुछ नहीं हासिल कर सकते। कुछ हासिल करने के लिए ज़रूरी है कि हमारे बच्चे जो हैं वोटिंग लिस्ट में हों, पार्टी ज्वाइन करें, चैरिटीज़ का काम करें और अपनी आवाज़ को बुलंद करें। यही मैंने अपने बच्चों को सिखाया, यही तानिया को सिखाया और आई एम प्राउड कि उसने इस पर अमल किया है और शी स्टैंड फॉर इलेक्शन।
बहुत शुक्रिया महमूद साहब. What lovely words, and I wish all parents would teach their children that, how to actually promote your own self, to promote your values, the values that you are brought up with. The parents always give you good values. Our parents always give us values of helping each other, of peace, because that is what our religion teaches as well. And I'm sure no religion teaches anything other than peace. And if we take those values out and we make something of ourselves that leaves the whole community stronger, which is what we are doing. Overseas Pakistan Trust over here today is trying to bring the community together and make it stronger. And I'm sure Tanya over here will continue, she will carry on, and whatever the results, she will not stop over here, and she will carry on with the good work, and she will carry on making the community proud.
Inshallah.
Inshallah. So if anybody has any questions, feel free to ask Tanya. Any questions? You've all had your interviews, I'm sure, so you've done the questions. Please, Bashanapa.
I would like to know how long you've been involved in the community to be wanted to stand for the election. When did you really have that desire?
Loud.
Sorry. I decided to stand in the current general elections last year, late last year, but I've been involved in the community from before that. Specifically in my secondary school, they had lots of campaigns to better society. There was this one campaign that has been long running in my secondary school, that's been anti-gun and knife crime, because that is a major issue within Tottenham, well, amongst the youth, and that is where it started. Oh, sorry.
Yeah. Okay.
Yeah.
Great. Okay. Thank you. Now, could I ask Mr. Umar Malik, thank you for joining us. If you could come over here, in fact, that would be great. And Tanya, if you could come over here. We have a little shield for Tanya in recognition of what she's done on behalf of OPT and Interfaith Harmony. Farzana, if you could join over here, and Mahmood Saab, if you could join over here as well. Wait, let me give it to you. Wait, let me give it to you. Chhod de, main dekh. Dr. Zulfikar, please come over here. You join them. Aap idhar khade hoiye. Malik Saab, aap idhar aa jaiye. Acha. Bashanapa.
आपके हाथ से मिलनी चाहिए।
मलिक साहब आओ।
कुर्सी।
आप भी लगा दीजिए।
Thank you very much. Congratulations, Tanya. And before we start dinner, please do feel free to sit down and have your starters. I would just like to say a very, very big thank you to all the media for covering the press conference that we're doing at the moment. Of course, we have ARY, we have Geo, we have Awaz, Dunya. Express News is here as well tonight, which is a big surprise. Welcome, Naseem. And of course, Umar Mujahid Bhai, who always supports the community with his TV 786. And let's just enjoy. And if anybody wants to ask Tanya any questions, please feel free to do so. She's here.
I want to say something to her parents.
Please do.
I want to thank you for not bringing her up to be a good wife and go and get married as soon as she can. I really want to thank you.
She will get married.
She will.
Inshallah.
She's developed her own skills. She will. That's usually the plan. So thank you.
You can sit here or down, wherever you want to. इधर बैठे ना आराम से आप लोग टेबल पे बैठे And everybody, this is Alina, Tanya's younger sister. Big round of applause for her. And she plans on becoming the queen. And Tanya's brother is here as well. Could you give us a wave, please? Give us a wave. Okay.
Tanya, come.
Wait, can I get my son? Uncle Tanya, you guys need to sit over there, yeah?
नहीं तानिया के साथ